Soup is the best snack or power boosting agent if you feel weakness. You can start with 1 or 2 meals in a day with a hot cup of soup, which will hold on your cravings and reduce your overall calorie intake. If you cannot take soup every day, then the goal is to eat 5 to 7 each week to get the right health benefits. You just wake up like a chef and make your own broth-based soup. This soup can stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 or 5 days, so it is easy to make a large amount of soup, keep in the refrigerator and enjoy your day and night. You definitely have tasted chicken or beef broth already. Now I am going to present simple but perfect low-calorie soup, which surely makes your day and night energetic. 1. Spinach, potatoes and rosemary soup. This combination is very simple but very healthy. It is very tasty as well, having a creamy texture and green hue. For this, prepare croutons, take in a saucepan, put some oil, put all things in it and adjust stove on low flame. Cover saucepan with lid and cook it up to 5 to 8 minutes. Your broth is ready for eating it and enjoy. 2. Onion and carrot soup. Onion and carrot soup is a simple but perfect calorie soup, and this soup surely makes a great start to any meal. Carrots are rich in fiber, thus satisfying your cravings with low calories. With onion, you can even add turnip in place of carrot if you like. To make the soup, heat some oil in a saucepan, add the onions and carrot slices, and then bring a boil until carrots get soft. At last, your onion and carrot soup are ready. Strain it, and for your taste, you can add salt or any other spice. 3. Tomato and beefsteak soup. Roasted tomato and beefsteak soup are very delicious to eat before starting your meal. Tomatoes are really rich in the nutrients, heart healthy antioxidants, different vitamins like C and E, beta carotene, lycopene and potassium. Bring the things in saucepan having some oil in it, then cook it until the things get soft, and some salt or any other spice you like for better taste and enjoy it.